Choosing the right table saw is a huge deal. Let's find the perfect one for your shop. So what's it going to be? Power, portability, or precision? You got to pick what matters most to you. All right, first up, the pro on the move. Your workshop is the job site and you need freedom. For that kind of freedom, check this out. The DEWALT FlexVolt 60V Max. What's the big deal? It's brushless motor and a super precise rack and pinion fence system. So yeah, if you're job hopping and need accuracy, this is definitely your saw. Okay, another cordless beast for the pros, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. This thing has serious power, plus one-key tracking. You'll never lose it on a busy site. Bottom line, this saw gives you pro power anywhere. We're talking total job site freedom. So you've got a choice, DEWALT's raw power system or Milwaukee's smart tracking. What do you need more? Okay, let's switch gears. We're heading into the workshop now, where power and accuracy are king. For big projects that need perfect cuts every time, you need a beast like this hybrid saw. That 2 HP motor just chews through hardwood. And the cast iron table? Zero vibration. Perfect cuts. This thing is the heart of a pro workshop. It's built for serious precision on heavy-duty jobs. But for the absolute toughest jobs, you need a monster. And that's the SKIL worm drive. It's all about that worm drive motor. The torque is just insane. It'll cut through anything. So if you're ripping through thick, tough stock, this saw will not let you down, ever. All right, what about the DIYer, the weekend warrior? You need that sweet spot between power and practicality. This compact DEWALT is an awesome choice. You get pro features, but it won't hog your whole garage. You get really solid performance for pretty much any project. And again, it saves you a ton of space. Honestly, it's the perfect all-rounder for hobbyists. Reliable, affordable, and gets the job done. Okay, let's wrap it up. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you see which saw is for who. So whether you need to be mobile, need raw power, or total precision, your perfect saw is here.
So which one fits your workshop? Drop your pick in the comments. And hey, subscribe for more.